Hari Om, good evening.
Hari Om, good evening, sir.
Namaste. Welcome to Yoga Instructors Course, 14th batch, conducted by Swami Vivekananda Yoga, Manchiryal, Telangana, India, which is affiliated to Vyasa, a part of SVYASA Yoga University, Bangalore. So asana is the third limb, very important limb in the Ashtanga Yoga. 90% of the people feeling yoga is asana, that's all. But asana is 0.000001 part in the yoga. Yoga is ocean. Asana is very small, but throughout the world, the people are feeling asana is yoga. Yes or no? It's not correct. As per Patanjali Maharshi, what is yogasana? Yogasana is Stiram Sukham Asana. Stira means steady, Sukham means comfort, Asana means posture. Posture means one భంగిమ. నువ్వు శరీరాన్ని కదలకుండా ఒక భంగిమలో ఉంచడము దాన్ని ఆసన అంటాము. అది కదలకుండా ఉండాలి, ఆ కదలకుండా ఉండేది నీకు సుఖాన్ని ఇవ్వాలి. అంటే సుఖాన్ని ఇచ్చేలాగా నీ శరీరం ఒక భంగిమలో వంచాలి, వంచి స్థిరంగా ఉండాలి. That is called asana. Here Hatha Yoga gives descriptions of asanas. There are two types of schools of asanas. One school is the Hatha Yoga. Second school is Patanjali School of Yoga. Hatha Yoga explains the dynamic asanas. Patanjali Yoga emphasizes on relaxing asanas. Hatha Yoga School, dynamic asanas, utilizes speed, repetitions and maintenance with strength, and often jerks in the mode of performance. When you are doing the asana, it will be speed, repetition and jerkings with high strength utilizing. That is the mode of performance of the Hatha Yoga school. For example, I am doing Ardha Chakrasana like this. This is Patanjali School of Yoga. Every day we are doing, but we are doing like this. This like this. This is Hatha Yoga school. The object is predominantly shatter the laxity, lethargy, and tamas in the general. This practice removes the lethargy, drowsiness, sleeping state, tamasic state, etc. etc. బద్ధకము, నిద్రమోహము, తామసిక స్థితి తొలగించబడుతుంది. దేంతోటి? హఠయోగ స్కూల్ ఆఫ్ ఆసనాస్ తోటి. By repetitions and quick actions, it develops the strength of the muscles and the stamina of the organs and systems in the body. This aids the growth process and hence it is useful in youngsters. This is very useful for the students, youngsters, not senior citizens, not patients, not old people. This Hatha Yoga school is very useful for the youngsters, right? Next, Patanjali Yoga School. The relaxing type of asanas emphasizes on mental equipoise through relaxation and effortlessness. It gives the relaxation, it gives the strengthen. Slow and steady wins the race, like that. Patanjali Yoga. The objectives are relaxation, slow breathing, calming the mind, energy channelization and conservation, and balancing of the body functions. Hence, it is more useful in after adolescence. Very, very useful for the senior citizens, old age people, adolescent people. Patanjali Yoga School is the no side effect. It gives the relaxation, it makes the calm down mind and energy channelization and conservation and balancing the body functions. Therefore, it is very useful for the senior citizens. These are the two schools, right? Now, stages in Yogasana. There are three stages are there, Yogasana. Stira, Stira, Sukha. You see, first is the Stira. Stira is the beginner's stage in asanas. When you are performing one asana, you are unable to maintain steady with some seconds also. This stage is called Stira. Okay. Next, sthira is the intermediate stage. Intermediate stage. When you are practicing asana again and again and again, we will maintain the asana 1 or 2 or 3 minutes with steady. That is intermediate stage called sthira. Right? Now sukha is the comfortable. This is the advanced stage. When you are performing asana, you should maintain with steady 4 hours. Then that means what? You get the asana siddhi and in that asana. So this is the advanced stage in the sukha. Understand? These are the 3 stages in the yogasana. Sthira, sukha. Sthira means LKG, UKG stage. Sthira means intermediate stage. Sukha means PhD stage. If an asana becomes effortless and comfortable, mind starts to wander. To avoid this, Patanjali suggests Ananta Samapatti, contemplation on the infinite. If the posture is sukha for an appreciably long time, subjectively variant, the person enters asana siddhi. This is nothing but sthira, sthira, sukha. In one sentence, you should remember sthira is the LKG, UKG stage. We are unable to maintain asana some seconds also. When you are practicing again and again, we will maintain some time, prescribed time, 2 or 3 minutes. That is sthira. Again and again, practicing every day, some years, we will get the sukha asana siddhi. That is called advanced stage. These are the 3 stages in yogasana. Classifications of yogasanas. Okay, they can be classified into 2 ways: categories and types. Categories are the 3 categories. One is meditative, second is relaxing, third is cultural. Meditative postures what? Padmasana, Vajrasana, Sukhasana, Siddhasana, Siddhayoni Asana, Ardha Padmasana, like that. Some limited asanas, 10 or 15 asanas are meditative postures. Now relaxing asanas. Relaxing asanas, when you are performing standing asanas, Shitila Tadasana is a relaxation asana. When you are performing sitting asana, Shitila Dandasana is the relaxing asana. When you are performing supine asanas, Yavasana is the relaxing asana. When you are performing pronasanas, Makarasana is the relaxation asana. These asanas are also limited, right? So meditative and relaxing asanas are limited. Other than meditative relaxing asanas, all are called cultural. 84 లక్షల ఆసనాలు ఉన్నాయని మన ఋషులు మునులు చెప్పారు. మెడిటేటివ్ రిలాక్సింగ్ ఆసనాస్ ఒక 20-25 తీసేస్తే మిగతా ఆసనాలన్నీ కల్చరల్. నా టైప్స్: స్టాండింగ్ పోస్చర్స్, స్టాండింగ్ ఆసనాస్, సిట్టింగ్, ప్రోన్, supine. These are the 4 types of the asanas. Okay, so this is the about yogasana. So as per Patanjali Maharshi, 3 sutras explained. First sutra, Stiram Sukham Asana. Second sutra, Prayatna Shaitilya Ananta Samapattivyam. Prayatna Shaitilya. You can practice again and again and again and again. Prayatna Shaitilya Ananta Samapattivyam. We will get the endless relaxation. Second, this means what? Sthira, intermediate stage. Third sutra, Tato Dvanda Anabhigataha. When you are performing asana, do not disturb the dvandas. What are the dvandas? Failure, success, heat, cool, like that. That is the advanced stage sukha. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Good night.